Tired of losing track of where you found that perfect quote? Linked notes in OneNote auto-saves the source so you never search again. Here's how this is going to work. First, I'll show you how to set up linked notes with any document or web page. Then, you'll see how to take notes that automatically track your sources. No more digging through browser history or folder after folder. So let's start with the source you want to reference. This could be a research paper you have open in Microsoft Word, a PowerPoint presentation, or honestly, even just a regular web page in your browser. Just have whatever you're reading open and ready to go. Now go to the Review tab on the ribbon menu up at the top. It's right between the View and Help tabs usually. Click on that and then look for the button that says Linked Notes. Go ahead and click it. A dialog box will pop up. This is where you choose where to save everything. Pick an existing OneNote section, or even just a specific page inside one of your notebooks. I'd recommend creating a dedicated research notebook if you haven't already, but any section works. Once you've chosen, click OK. Notice how OneNote docks automatically to one side of your screen? It takes up about half your monitor while your research source stays open on the other half. This split-screen setup is intentional. It keeps both your source material and your notes visible at the same time. No more alt-tabbing back and forth. Now start typing. And here's the magic part. Watch the really important thing that happens automatically. As you type your observations, OneNote silently captures information about where you are. It grabs the URL if you're on a web page. It saves a text excerpt from a Word document, or it takes a little thumbnail snapshot of the PowerPoint slide. It does all of this without you having to think about it. See those icons that appear next to your notes? That little word icon, or the edge icon, or whatever you're using? Those are your new best friends. Clicking any of those icons will instantly take you back to the exact paragraph or web page you were looking at when you wrote that specific note. And I mean the exact spot, not just the document or the page, but the very paragraph you were reading. Microsoft's own documentation confirms this works across Word, PowerPoint, and web browsers. Now what if you just want to jot down a quick thought that isn't related to what you're reading? No problem. Look up at the top right corner of the docked OneNote window. See that tiny chain link icon? Click it once to toggle the linking off. When it's grayed out, your notes won't attach to any source. Click it again to turn linking back on when you're ready. And that's it. From scattered research notes you can never find the source for, to a fully linked navigable database where every single note jumps you right back to where it came from. Give it a try on your next research project. It might just save you hours of digging.